mark. Get set. Eat ice cream, guys. Eat that ice cream. Let's have some ice cream going, man. We are eating ice cream here. I want to see you guys eating some ice cream. Let's have some ice cream. We are all eating. Come on, guys. Eat, eat. You must finish all of the first one before moving on. Oh, brain freeze. There we go. There we go. You can do it. You can do it. Must finish all the first step before moving on. You would think eating ice cream goes faster, wouldn't you? You think you could just shovel it in.
Don't let them run off to the water. You got one.
You got a little brain freeze going on, huh?
Let's hear some crowd participation. Let's hear some cheers. There we go. Let's have some ice cream.
Eat, Lauren, eat.
Eat some ice cream. Can I get a little eat? Can I get some ice cream? Eat, 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 eat. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream. Hey, you got enough spoons? I can get you some more spoons. Give me some spoons, ladies. I got some breakage happening up here. I got some breakage happening. Let's get that man a spoon or two. Here you go. Here's a couple more if you need them. How are we doing? How are we doing? You got to make sure you're getting it all. We are at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, guys. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You're doing a great job. Ice cream, ice cream. Let's eat some ice cream. Make sure you're getting it all. Make sure you're getting it all. We're at 3 minutes, folks. 3 minutes. This is for $120. $120 in gift certificates. $120. Make sure you're finishing those containers, guys. We gotta open them up. We gotta look in them. They gotta be empty. They gotta be empty. Those containers need to be empty. We'll be opening them up and looking in them. Make sure they're finished. It's coming, it's coming. If you need it, indicate it. There we go. How we doing? How we doing?
Make sure everything's out of them, okay? Make sure everything's out.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Everything out. Make sure it's all empty.
Ice cream.
Everything out before you move on to the next. Good job.
We have 30 seconds left. You can do it, guys. You can do it.
Just make sure
Ice
those are
cream
all
is
clean.
delicious.
You're doing really well. Just take
Ice
your
cream
time on
is
these.
wonderful. So good in your mouth.
Make sure that everything's out of these for them to count, okay, sweetie?
How we doing? Make sure those cups are empty.
If there's anything left
Don't
in
blow
there.
them away. Make sure those cups are empty.
A little bit right there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Put your hands up. No more lights. Hands up. Put your hands up. All right. Here we go. If we start down here, we are at 2 1/3. 2 1/3. His brother. 1 1/2. 1 1/2. All right, the ladies. We have had, Jeff, where are we at? 1, 2, 3 1/4, maybe.
2 7/8.
2 7/8. It's called. The official call is 2 7/8.
All right, can you break
Here we
those
go.
out for
Can you
us?
open those up? We need to make sure they're empty.
1.
Guys, separate your cups. Put them
2.
side by side. We're making sure they're empty.
3,
4,
4,
5.
5, and
Wait.
5.
What's this guy? Oh, that's closed.
I would say that looks about like 5/8. 5 and 5/8.
5 5/8. 5 5/8. Ladies, who's belong to who here? Let's go. There we go.
Is that yours?
So that is 2
And 3/4.
3/4. 2 3/4.
Miss Ponder, how many do you have?
Miss Ponder.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
A bite.
1/16. 5
5 1/16. Miss Ponder. 5 1/16. Hi.
1,
How you feeling?
2, 3,
Yeah? You want
4,
more ice cream?
5,
Still hungry
6,
for it?
7.
That was 7, guys. That was 7. Can we get a hand for 7? 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and
3/4. 6 3/4. All right. Next count.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4.
3, 4,
And a
and a
4.
4.
2 3/4.
2 3/4. Let's hear it, guys. Can we get some crowd noise? All right, we are at
Skip.
1, 2.
Skip over here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm being summoned. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We are at 3. Good job. Good showing. All right.
Ready?
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. 7 and a half. We have a clear winner. Can we hear it for our winner, guys? $120 right here. Tell the crowd. You told me you were going to win when you walked up here. Tell the crowd your name.
Jaquan Powell.
Jaquan Powell. How many did you think you were going to eat?
Something like 2.
I think you did very well for 3. Can you get a picture with these guys? Hold this up, smile, and
Good job, Jaquan.
Happy we got you.